Give me directions to the sunken pleasure.
I'm from out of town, buddy. I really can't help you. Push on.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Do you work here? Wait, were you here last night?
No, I was,
Holy shit! What are you doing? What are we... Jack! Crazy eyes!
Heat vision. Hey! That's my bike!
pathetic human.
Hang on, Jack! Eat wheel! Come on, get up, Cookie! You want some more of this? Come on,